Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Hi.
Hi.
So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to do this crown braid. It's just a wraparound braid that you use a half French braid technique to. It is pretty simple if you know how to French braid, and it takes about 10 minutes. It's great for any sort of special occasion. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today what we're going to be using a brush of any sort, doesn't matter. I personally like the wet brush brand. I think it's the best kind, but whatever brush you have is fine. Then we're also going to be using little clear rubber bands. Again, you can use any brand. I'll insert here the brand I personally prefer, but it doesn't necessarily matter. Also, bobby pins. I like the Goody brand, but you're going to want 5 or 6 bobby pins. I also will use a comb just to make sure her part is good, and then a bow, because I fully believe the bigger the bow, the better the mama fairy. We live in the South and bows are life. So I'm just going to put this bow with it also. So what we do starting out is you make sure they have something to keep them entertained. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And then sit up for me a little bit, okay? And then you're just gonna want to brush their hair out to make sure it's free of any tangles. My girl's hair, like the description says, is really fine and pretty thin, so her hair does not tangle easily. But if you have a baby, if your daughter's hair or whoever your hair they're doing tangles easily, then you may want a detangling spray. So we're gonna start at the front, and I'm gonna move her around during this video, but we're gonna start at the front. So you're gonna want to have a part on the side. Look down for me. You're gonna want to have a part on the side, wherever their natural part is. If it is on the side, is fine. And then you're going to want to grab just a small amount of hair. So about this much. So once I have that amount of hair, I am going to start a braid. So I'm going to divide it into 3 parts, and I'm just going to start braiding. And this is a French braid technique. So you're going to want to braid both sides, and then you're going to want to grab more hair, and then first braid that over, and then put your third piece over. So I do not grab hair from the back. I only grab hair from the front, and that's going to give that nice crown look. So again, you're going to want to grab hair, and you're just going to want to do it in little sections, and then bring it over from the back. Don't add more hair in the back. Bring a little up, put it over, braid it over from the back a little bit, braid it over, put it over from the back. Look down, baby. So at this point, you're gonna have a braid, or a start of a braid, going through, and again, over, and you're going to want to keep towards the edge of their hairline. If you go too far back, you're not going to be able to get a good crown look. So make sure that you're not going backwards yet. You're just going around their hairline, all the way behind the ear.
What are you making, Mom?
I'm making your crown braid.
And what next?
Okay, and again, you're going to just continue. Braid it over. Continue. Braid it over. Alright, so now you're at the back of the hair. And you're gonna keep doing this braid where you are French braiding one side of the braid but not the other. Okay, so when you get to the side, the other side of the hair, so you've braided all the way around at this point, you're going to again grab from the back or from the front and French braid the one side, but you're about to run out of hair. So you've now used up all the hair. There's no more hair hanging down. Well, she's got a little bit just because she's got flyaways. So once you have all of that, you're going to just finish braiding out this braid. So you're going to finish braiding all the way down. She has pretty long hair, so I'm going to have plenty of braid to work with here. If you would like me to show you what this looks like on shorter toddler hair, I can. This is my oldest daughter. She's almost 4, so her hair is pretty long, but I also have a 2-year-old who I can do this exact same braid on. It just is a little different at this end. So you now have a braid all the way around, and you have this piece right here hanging out. So you're going to take that, you're going to take one of your little plastic ties, and you're going to tie off the end of the braid. Okay, and you're going to have a little bit of a tail. That's fine. We're going to tuck it in to the braid. So turn this way. So you're going to take this braid, and this is where your bobby pins are going to come in place. You're going to take the length of the braid and tuck it into the front of the other side.
And these wheels, and that's one.
Alright, so then you're going to take the little tail and again just tuck it. And then I generally take the last few bobby pins and I just go through, and any little pieces that seem like they might be loose, I go ahead and put the bobby pins in to keep it in place. Look down for me. So if you're looking at the top of the head, this is what it's going to look like. Turn around. If you're looking at the back, this is what it looks like. So it's just a really pretty crown braid. This is great for, we do it for Sunday a lot, but this is a really good flower girl hairstyle. You can really use it for any occasion. It's simple and the hair stays pretty well. So sometimes what I do, if I want a bow in there, I will take the bow and I will just put it on the side and have it just like that. And it just adds like a cute little addition to there. Again, if you have any little pieces, you can just bobby pin them in. Are you making cool faces? And then you have your little bow and a braid. And of course, because we're 3, we can make real cool faces.
Hey, watch everybody.
Say, give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Hit subscribe.
Subscribe.
To see more videos of toddler hair, I will
see more videos of toddler hair.
Come back and join us.
Come back and join us.
We'll be posting just about every week.
Every week.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.